The world of modern fighter jets is dominated by giants like the F-22 Raptor, the Sukhoi Su-35, and the Eurofighter Typhoon. But in the skies over Asia, another jet has risen to prominence, a machine that combines speed, agility, and advanced avionics into one sleek package. This is the Chengdu J-10C, China's powerful multirole fighter that has already made waves in international defense circles. But what exactly makes this jet so special, and why are countries like Pakistan eager to add it to their fleets? Today, we'll uncover the story, technology, and impact of the J-10C. When you first see the J-10C, its design stands out immediately. With its delta wing and canard configuration, it resembles a blend of European design philosophy and Chinese innovation. The jet is often nicknamed the Vigorous Dragon, and for good reason. It has an aggressive posture, sharp angles, and a futuristic look that signals both speed and lethality. Unlike older Chinese fighters, the J-10C is not just a defensive aircraft. It is a modern fourth-generation plus platform built for both air superiority and precision strike missions. The story of the J-10C begins decades earlier with the development of the original J-10. China's aviation industry was once heavily reliant on reverse engineering older Soviet designs, but the J-10 was different. It was one of the first attempts at building an indigenous fighter that could compete on the global stage. The early J-10 models were impressive but lacked advanced electronics and engines to rival Western or Russian jets. That's where the J-10C changed everything. So, what's inside this fighter that makes it stand out? Let's start with the engine. The J-10C is powered by the WS-10B Taihang turbofan engine, a domestically produced powerhouse that delivers thrust-to-weight ratios comparable to some of the best engines in the world. Earlier versions of the jet relied on Russian AL-31 engines, but China's push for self-reliance led to the creation of the WS-10 series. This not only gives the J-10C independence from foreign suppliers but also boosts its reliability and combat endurance. But raw thrust is only half the story. The real magic of the J-10C lies in its avionics. Equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar, or AESA radar, the jet has a massive advantage in detecting, tracking, and engaging enemy aircraft. AESA technology is considered the gold standard for modern fighters because it allows multiple targets to be tracked simultaneously, resists jamming, and extends engagement ranges. For China, the integration of AESA into the J-10C is a major leap forward in modern air warfare capability. Now, let's talk weapons. The J-10C carries a diverse arsenal that makes it highly versatile. For air-to-air combat, it can deploy the PL-10 short-range missile and the PL-15 long-range missile. The PL-15, in particular, has drawn significant attention from Western analysts. With an estimated range of over 200 kilometers, it outclasses many existing air-to-air missiles and could potentially challenge even the American AIM-120M ROM. This missile, combined with the J-10C's radar, makes the jet a serious threat in beyond visual range combat. For air-to-ground missions, the J-10C can carry precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and electronic warfare pods. This means the fighter isn't limited to dogfights. It can strike ground targets with deadly accuracy, giving it a true multirole identity. Imagine a single jet being able to intercept enemy aircraft, attack ships, and destroy hardened bunkers, all within the same mission profile. That's the power of the J-10C. But there's another layer to this story. Fighter jets are not just about raw capability, they are also about strategy and geopolitics. The J-10C is central to China's push to modernize its air force and reduce reliance on foreign technology. By mastering key systems like engines, radars, and missiles domestically, China has positioned itself as a competitor to both the United States and Russia in the defense market. This brings us to one of the most important international chapters in the J-10C story: Pakistan. In 2022, Pakistan officially inducted the J-10C into its air force, branding it the Dragon from the East. For Pakistan, this acquisition wasn't just about buying a new jet, it was about countering India's growing air power, particularly the Rafale jets acquired from France. With the PL-15 missile, the J-10C gives Pakistan a significant edge in long-range engagements, potentially altering the balance of air power in South Asia. The symbolism of the J-10C in Pakistan goes beyond defense. It represents the deepening military partnership between China and Pakistan, one that has strategic implications across the region. While the United States restricts the export of its advanced fighters and Russia maintains close ties with India, China has stepped in as a reliable supplier for Pakistan, strengthening alliances in the process. Critics, however, argue that the J-10C is still not in the same league as fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, and that's true. The J-10C, despite its impressive avionics and weapons, is a fourth-generation plus fighter. It lacks the stealth capabilities of the F-35 or J-20, which are designed to operate almost invisibly to radar. However, the J-10C doesn't need to compete directly with stealth fighters to be effective. Its role is to dominate in conventional engagements, provide multirole flexibility, and offer a cost-effective solution for countries that cannot afford fifth-generation platforms. Another point of debate is its performance against rival aircraft. Could the J-10C stand up to India's Rafale in a real conflict? Could it hold its own against American F-16s or Russian Sukhos? While the answers depend on countless factors like pilot training, tactics, and support systems, the J-10C's AESA radar and PL-15 missile give it a serious edge in long-range combat. In close dogfights, its Delta Canard design provides excellent maneuverability, making it a formidable opponent in any engagement scenario. Beyond combat performance, the J-10C is also symbolic of China's rapid technological progress. Just a few decades ago, China's Air Force was flying outdated designs from the Cold War era. Today, it is producing fighters like the J-20 stealth jet and the J-10C, which rival some of the best in the world. This transformation reflects not just military ambition but also industrial growth, scientific advancement, and geopolitical strategy. For nations like Pakistan, the J-10C provides more than just an aircraft. It provides assurance. It sends a message to rivals that their airspace cannot be violated without consequences. And for China, exporting the J-10C is about more than profit. It is about influence, partnerships, and the projection of soft power through hard technology. Yet, the story of the J-10C is far from over. As warfare evolves with the rise of drones, artificial intelligence, and hypersonic weapons, the role of fourth-generation plus fighters will continue to change. The J-10C may serve as a bridge between traditional fighters and the stealth-dominated future. Its versatility ensures that it will remain relevant for years to come, especially for air forces that cannot transition immediately to fifth-generation jets. In the end, the Chengdu J-10C is more than just a fighter aircraft. It is a statement, a declaration that China has arrived as a global aviation power, capable of designing, producing, and exporting cutting-edge fighters. Whether in the skies over Asia or in the calculations of military strategists worldwide, the J-10C has earned its place as one of the most significant fighters of the modern era. And as it continues to serve in both China and Pakistan, the question remains: how far will the Vigorous Dragon fly in shaping the future of air combat? Only time and the AESA will tell.